Hi guys, let's see how to fix MacBook caps lock delay. So what happens that whenever you just press the caps lock, it get delayed by a time frame, and it's very annoying for me also. So I searched online, I found a solution which is working for all the people. So what you have to do, you have to just run this command in the terminal and your problem will be fixed. Okay, so just search terminal, and once it opens up, you have to copy this command and just paste it, click on it once and then hit enter, and it has been 0. And now what happens that whenever you are pressing caps lock, it instantly gets activated without any delay. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.